Hello everybody, welcome to the UserApplePie install with Composer. Okay, so first of all, we want to make sure that our web server is ready to go. Mine's started and ready, online. And let's see. So my folder is blank right now. So I want to go ahead and download the UserApplePie right now. 4.0 beta is the current release. I'm sure I'll have an update with a non-beta soon, but anyway, so we go ahead and download this version, and we'll go ahead and just open it. Now, while I'm thinking about it, this method we want to make sure we do not use the full. Notice the size difference. So we went ahead and downloaded this version right here. And all we got to do is run Composer install once we copy it in. Okay? So, let's go ahead and open it up. Okay. So if we download it, it should look something like this. Open that file, and we'll just copy all these files. And then we'll paste them over here. Now, right now, we don't see a vendor folder, which is what the composer is going to install, which contains all the necessary files to make UserApplePie run properly. Because if we try to run it right now, it's going to give us an error. So I'll go ahead and just show you. So we'll refresh this. So it says to install Composer, and then try to do Composer install. So we'll go ahead. I've already got Composer installed, and it's real easy to find tutorials on how to install Composer, so I'm not even going to worry about it. So I'll go ahead and open up Command Prompt. So if we just type in Composer, it'll show us all the Composer information. And it says Composer. So anyway, we'll go ahead and move to the directory where we installed, which is right here on my computer. It'll be C drive, WAMP, local website. So we'll go ahead and cd C WAMP cd local. Okay, so right now it's actually got some stuff in there. The main thing that it needs is the composer file, the composer.json. That's what tells it what all to install. I'll go ahead and open that up and kind of show you. So it's got the UserApplePie information here, and then it's also got, it requires that we have PHP 5.5 or greater. It's going to download the Symfony console and the Doctrine Inflector and Google reCAPTCHA. And it's also using PSR4 standards and all that good stuff. But anyway, we don't want to edit anything in here. I was just kind of showing you. Minimize that. So all we gotta do is type in Composer install. This will take a moment. Shouldn't take too long. Depends on your internet speed, but it doesn't really take too long. And we're done. That's it. We'll just refresh this, and our install script shows up. Move on to the next step. And then I'm running localhost, so we'll put in localhost. My database server is on localhost. I'm going to use the demo user, or I'm sorry, the demo database, and then I'll go ahead and do demo user. And the password, I haven't got that yet. P4 prefix, so go ahead and create the database. which is UAP4 demo. We'll create that. Open that up. And I like to go ahead and create a user per database that I create, because I don't like using root outside of PHP-MyAtom. So we'll go ahead and add the user, and we'll go ahead and name it UAP for demo. We'll put it on localhost. And I'm just going to generate a new password. I'll go ahead and copy this and then paste it right here. Go ahead and update that config file, and while that's updating, I'm going to go in here. I'm going to give the user all privileges for now. We'll move on. I'm not worried about remembering the password. So structure, so far our database is empty. And we should be able to hit test database and it connects. So we'll go ahead and move on to the next step. We'll go ahead and import the database file to the database. Usually that takes a moment, but it just depends on your internet speed or your speed connected to the server, however you got it set up. Okay, looks good, so we'll go ahead and move on to the next step. And now we're going to go ahead and save and finalize the install. And everything looks good, so we'll go ahead and check it out. Now make sure that you're the first user to sign up, and let's see, we'll go ahead and sign up real quick. Trying to make it a quick video. I don't like making videos too long. Type this in. Just type in there. I'm not a robot. Register. Alright, log in. Logged in. Admin panel. I want to go ahead and go to settings. And you can change your site title, site description, site keywords, whether the user needs to activate or not, email settings, or like Gmail or whatever your mail server is. If your server's set up to use the local server as your email server, and it doesn't require usernames or any of that, then just leave it blank and it'll work. If your server's set up to do that. Go ahead. Make sure you update your reCAPTCHA keys with the ones that are provided by Google to you. Another thing I like to do is go into users and go under my name, edit my profile, and remove the new member. Because if I don't do that, I won't be able to post any photos to the forum. And that's it. Back to the main site. Everything's working, looks good. Images are showing up, so that's good. And I think we're good to go. That's pretty much it. If you have any problems, just let us know. We're more than happy to help. Thank you. Have a great day.